Okay. I'm Ayikoru Lovista. This is what my dream is. First of all, to be a minister of the Word of God, reaching out with the gospel to the whole world, making the world know the person in whom I believe, the one I serve, and the one who has brought me this far. And another is to be a great fashion designer, designing clothes, bags, jewelries, the smoked cushions, doormats, and many other things in the fashion world, and to make money, to make a living, and to improve lives of many other people by teaching them and making them to at least get some knowledge and do things on their own, not always waiting from others. Yeah.